What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, do everything necessary to get this thing to live long, thrive, and survive. Let's go ahead and take a look at XRP. Guys, yesterday we were noticing that the DXY, the dollar value index, we were noticing that it had some strength coming in, right, guys? So this is what we kind of warned about yesterday. So as the strength came in for the dollar value, this is exactly when XRP and the broader crypto market ended up showing some of that weakness, right, guys? So this is kind of the kind of what we used here as an indicator for potential weakness coming in. So all good on that, guys. Now, we were drawing in some potential supports to the downside, one of them being in the area that was here within the 242 to 246. And just in case we failed this one, we pointed at the 227 to 234 area, and we're kind of sitting right within that right now. Okay, guys. So that and here's another thing, guys. When I trade live with the ARCa Bulls trading team on Discord, I pointed out at a support bound for BTC, and that was within this area here. You know, this was out of nowhere, out of a whim. I started looking at BTC, and I expressed that, you know, while we were sitting up here, that we would likely see a drop into the areas of about 93,003 to about 91,002 or 3, right, guys? So this is the area that we kind of dropped into, and now we're kind of bouncing from. I will say that when things happen like this, guys, there is a bit of a shake here. There is a bit of uncertainty. There's a lot of fear right now, guys. So any pump to the upside can be kind of per se how can I say this? People can be afraid, right? And any pump to the upside, they're going to take their risk off, thinking that they're never going to get it back, right, guys? So those are some of the things that we can experience when there are sharp declines like this. Okay, guys. So heads up, be very careful in the markets, right, guys? Here's another thing that I wanted to point out to you, right? So this is very curious. This didn't require, right? What I'm about to show you here didn't require any special, programming or any nothing, guys, other than a plug and play indicator right up in this thing, right, guys? So take a look at this here, guys. Actually, it would be better to look at it from here as the candles were recolored right in here, guys. So take a look at this, right? This is the APLHA LITE. This is not the automated trading system. This is the buy and sell signals system that you can still pick up at the top right of this screen, right, guys? So it's actually a lot cheaper than the automated trading system, but it did signal a sell signal right up here at around the valuations of around 267 to 270, right, guys? And this was just about on Friday, so did give us a big warning here before that huge drop, right, guys? So this is so I mean, it does things like this, right, guys? So I mean, check it out. This thing like bought here, it sold there, it bought here, it sold you up here, right? This thing ended up buying here, sold you up here, and then this sell actually never got a buy signal. So notice that. Very interesting time. Make sure to get your copy of the APLHA LITE in the right-hand corner. Okay, guys. So now, what's the deal here? What could be happening? Well, let's take a look at volatility versus momentum and see if we can't catch ourselves a better outlook here, guys, because I know that there's a lot of fear instilled in the markets right now. I know that a lot of these times can be creating much uncertainty, right? But it's all good, team. Let's go ahead and take a look and find out, just so we can kind of clear up some emotions here altogether. Okay, guys, good deal. So let's go to the more immediate short term, right? Let's go to granular levels here. So that would be your 10-minute time frame. 10-minute time frame is kind of spiking in volatility right now, right? We're looking at this is your throttle here, right, guys? This is acceleration, and this would be your direction bias. So we're accelerating towards a not so aggressive downside, which is kind of curious for me to even see right now. Let's see the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, 5-minute time frame does have some acceleration towards the downside, but if we're gonna put on the math up in here, that would be 2 cents of downside, 27, 26, 25 cents. That would bring you down to roughly about this zone in here, right? So the might as well would be anywhere between 223.65 to just about 225.88. So let's go ahead and mark that off here for the more immediate short term as a bound of support, right? Just like this here, right? And then let's see about the continuation. 10-minute time frame, we saw the downside still, right? The let's see, 15-minute time frame, 8 minutes to close, 9 minutes to close. That this may be able to recover. It is kind of printing a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders here. We got to see about that continuation, though. Very speculative. 30-minute time frame over in 8 minutes, and it does show continuation to the downside. Let me just go ahead and take a look at the rest of this. So this would be about 4 cents to the downside. 30 minutes. Let's see if if that can, yep, that would be about 30 minutes total of downside. And if we use the hourly time frame as far as the bottom side in support, that would tell us that the current ATR low would be just about 223. And guess what? There it is, right? So we marked it off just accurately here. So we're looking at a potential 223.58 to 225.81 in the immediate short term, guys, before a potential bounce. Let's see that bi-hourly time frame. Yeah, bi-hourly time frame does show a bit oversold here, right? There could be a shift of momentum towards the upside, but we just have to be very careful with this team. We still have about an hour and 37 minutes to close this bar. 3-hour time frame closes in about 37 minutes, and it is showing indecision right now. Okay, guys, so a little bit nervous. I wouldn't be opening up any major positions right now for like permanent holds. I would kind of just kind of cool off for now, guys, and just wait the ruckus out, right, guys? We know that there was some bearish news coming out, right? Even Trump ordering, the plan for more tariffs regarding Mexico and Canada. Oh my goodness, a whole bunch of things, right, guys? So the markets are reacting to this, and the markets are kind of overreacting this on this news as well. So if I'm going to say anything, guys, yeah, you can see some immediate short-term scalp trades maybe within this entry here and exit within this bound here of 227 to 234, sure. But I would strongly urge, as an entertainer and not as a financial advisor, that we kind of remain cash and just observe the markets for now, right? As there is a lot of slapping of asses going around, and we just need to clear up that whole thing before we can continue to upper bounds. Okay, guys, let's just make sure to be very careful. Reach out to me if you would like to be a part of the ARC Masters course, guys. Of course, we already started that beginner's course, but we can always get you in, right? Make sure to ask for your disclaimer and your syllabus, right? I also have more advanced courses as well, so you reach out to me with whatever experience you may have, and we'll get you signed up. Okay, guys? Well, I think this is a pretty good place to leave off. If any questions, you reach out to me. Okay, team? I love you very much, and we will talk very, 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 very soon. Okay, guys? Thanks. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever, ever, ever, ever. I need you to do your own due diligence, and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well, a very, very good rest of your night and or day, and I will catch you at the Bell Mañana. Adios, team.